Hello kids, so now we're gonna resume with solving the questions of your book. This is the next video. Open your books to page 551. So as you can see here, the first question asks you to draw a picture. There's no need to do this question. It's very easy and it's just a review. Number 2. Write and solve a multiplication equation. They want us to write a multiplication equation. Pay attention to the question. This is not addition, multiplication. So how are we going to do something like that? Let's see. We will first look at the pictures. We have two pies, as we can see here. There are two pies and the rest is empty. And there are two pies in the second picture and the rest is empty. We will count the total number of the pies and the empty ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 in total. We're going to write 6. And we will count the number of pies that we can see. 1, 2. So we're going to write 2. The second picture as well shows the same thing. We don't have to count and say. So we're going to say it's 2 over 6. So if we are adding, we're going to say that it's 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. And the same denominator, 6. But here, pay attention, it's multiplication. So we're going to multiply 2 over 6 by 2 because we have 2 of the 2 over 6. So it's going to be equal to 2 multiplied by 2 over 6. Which is equal to 4 over 6. As easy as that. Nothing hard. I hope that you're following up with me and you're not facing any hard time. Okay, so let's see the number line here. As you can see here, it starts from 0 and then moves to the fraction 2 over 3 and then it moves another 2 over 3 because if you subtract this mixed number from 2 over 3, you're going to get 2 over 3. And here also it's 2 over 3 because if you subtract them, it's 2 over 3. And the last jump here, it's 2 over 3 as well because 2 over 3 minus 2 is 2 over 3. So how many 2 over 3 do we have? We ask ourselves the first question, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4. Multiplied by the fraction, which is 2 over 3. And the answer here is 8 over 3. Excellent. That's all. Now, of course, usually when you have this improper fraction, it's better to change it to a mixed number to make things look better. How do we change it? Just as I said, you can either divide or I was just going to do the first one, but the rest, when we're going to change from the improper to the mixed, I'm going to tell you the answer right away because I assume that you know how to change an improper fraction to a mixed number. So here you can either divide, you can say 3. Let me explain it this part because it's empty. You can say that 3 divided by 8. You're gonna say here 2 and here 6. So it's 2. You have 2 over 3. This is the answer. Or you can say that 8 over 3 is equal to 3 over 3. plus 3 over 3 plus 2 over 3. If you want to make sure, you're going to say 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8. So how many 3 over 3 do we have? 1, 2. So it's 2, and we're left with the fraction 2 over 3. You have two ways to change this fraction to the mixed number. Number 4. The same requirement. Write and solve a multiplication equation. 1 over 8 miles, 1 over 8 miles. How many 1 over 8 do we have? We ask ourselves, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will write the 5, and we will write the fraction, which is 1 over 8. 1 over 8. Remember, we are multiplying, not adding. You can also get the answer if you want to make sure. This is just something extra for you to make sure of your answer. You can add, but on your own, do not show the steps as addition. It has to be multiplication. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 5 over 8. 5 times 1 is equal to 5 over 8. Here the same thing. How many 2 over 10 do we have? 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 multiplied by 2 over 10. Which is equal to 6 over 10. Excellent. Number 6. Calculate the distance Margot rides her bike if she rides 7 over 8 miles each day for 8 days. For how many days? 8. She rides it for how many miles? 7 over 8 multiplied by 7 over 8. So the answer here is 56 divided by 8. We're going to change it to a whole number because 56 divided by 8 is equal to 7. This is my answer. Calculate the distance from... Cannot read it here. Oh, calculate the distance Tom rides his bike if he rides 5 over 6 miles each day for 5 days. How many days? The first question we ask, 5, multiplied by the fraction, which is 5 over 6. I guess that it has become easier for you now because we have practiced enough. 5 times 5 is 25, divided by the 6. Am I going to leave it like that? No, I have to change it to a mixed number. It's better to change it to a mixed number. 25 over 6 is equal to 4. Let's see how do we do it. 25 over 6, we can either add or make the division. So like I said here, it's going to be 25, 6, 4, and 24, 1. So it's 4, 1 over 6. That's the answer. Let's move on to the next question.